Hey, what's up, guys? um, Good to see you again. I guess you're the only one seeing me, but good to come here and talk to you guys again. And don't mind the noise. I'm kind of like I want to make this video for you guys because I'm starting a new challenge in trading, and I understand that to be honest, I've tried like let me put this camera somewhere so I can see. Let me put it this way. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So okay. Okay. I think it's good like this. Okay. Good. So I am starting a new challenge, which I'm going to be posting every single day for the longest. For how long? I don't know how long it's gonna take me to take this account $500 to I'm gonna start with 100K, but my target is going to be 250K. So the goal is to trade by respecting my rules and doing the things that I'm supposed to do. So right now, I've already started the trade, and let's see. Oh boy! So this is the trade I'm currently on. I don't know if you can see. Let me block my face. Can't believe I just did that. Okay, let me just block my face. You can see. I don't know. See. But the trade should be able to play out, and we should be able to get a good profit from it. But let me show you the history. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but let me just. Okay, so if you can see this, you see 500. Like I started with $500. I started with $500. This treatment wants to go for sale, but I'm just still seeing. I'm still waiting if we can get a break from. But anyway, so that this one, I don't want this one to distract me right now. So what I'm gonna say is that I know that I've failed so many challenges. Like I've failed $1,000. I've failed even $100 like twice. I failed $10 twice, and I've also like took about $50 to like 500 to 2,000 to 25. And I've done several challenges that I've like I will not say passed, but I've went through all those challenges by just placing trade. But again, we are all human, we're not robots, so sometimes we do things out of our rules, and I'm just here to say, okay, hopefully we'll be able to pass. I will not say pass. We'll be able to build this account to a significant amount of money, before the end of the year. So whatever amount we close at the my last trade is probably gonna be on the 25th. Let me check the date. First of all, let me check. Let me check date where. Let me check the date. The last trading day. So the last trading day is going to be on the Wednesday, 25th. Now, 25th there won't be trade. 24th there won't be trade. But 23rd there should be trade on 20th. So our last trade probably going to be on the 20th of December. So I'm marking it. So our last day is going to be last day of trading is going to be on 20th of December, 2024. So this challenge is going to be a challenge whereby it's going to be full of growth, it's going to be full of lesson, it's going to be full of what I have happens to come with it. But again, we're not going to start alone. We're going to start by the grace of God, and it will all end in grace. So anyway, I'm still on this trade. I'm not closing. Let's see. Oh boy, this trade just keep playing around my stop loss. You can see my stop loss right here. You can see the trade. Like, let me just. You can see the trade, right? I don't know why. Are you seeing the trade? I don't know. I guess I will see it on the computer. So you keep playing around my stop loss. It's almost eating it just like four pips right now. Just 4 pips is gonna eat my stop loss. 4 pips. 4 pips. 4 pips. I don't know why. I guess let me try this way. Sorry. Okay, so you can see. Hold on, I got to. Okay, so you can see it's still playing normal. This is my stop loss and this is my entry, and we see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into chart and analyze. I'm not gonna analyze anything, but I'm just gonna show you the details of the trade that I placed today. So I'm using this new app called TradeTeller. It's my first time using it. I always use like Notion because that's where I do journal my trade. But I want to journal every single trade, and I want to document it. So which is why I'm using this app so that it will be easy. So that most of the things will probably do like automatic. So I don't need to journal like manually. So I want to be able to journal. I want to be able to look at it after December and just reverse on every single thing, every action that I take, and I want to be able to know every emotion. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna be full of lessons. It's gonna be full of victories. It's gonna be full of. It's all victory. Even though I blow the account, it's still gonna be victories. But I want to be able to do this.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live?
Okay, so let's first of all let me extend this so that you guys can see me more. Okay, then we're gonna have this right here. Uh, we're gonna have this right here. Okay. All right. So what's up, guys? Guys, guys, like I said, yesterday there was yesterday I started a challenge, and on the challenge, which is to start with, $500 and see where I can take it to before 28th of December 2024, right? So the goal is to take it slow, just use the power of compounding. And also I want to be able to train myself when it comes to patience, and also when it comes to delaying gratification, like instant gratification, which is having to not chase trade, also waiting for trade to come to me so I can place trade. So yesterday was good. We had like 5 trades, and I'm going to go through it right now for you guys to see. So this is the total profit that we have today. But the thing is that I'm supposed to be making and posting videos every single day. So today analysis is gonna be, or today market cap is gonna be on yesterday trade, which is Monday. What day was that? Monday, 23rd of September. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna have to like talked about. So once we talked about that, then the video you'll be seeing tomorrow will be about today's trade. So let's go right into it. So let's be more
more of it. Let's expand. Okay. So now these are the trades I took yesterday. I had like 3 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades yesterday. And I'm going to explain to you why I had to like take 5 trades. So if you look at here, I have my things to do on this challenge, which is one one entry per trade, which I broke that one today actually, which is not good. I'm gonna have to discipline myself for that. And 2 trades per day. So 2 trades per day. Then I have 10% to 15% per trade. Then only good entries. So the reason why I did that is because again I want to be able to hold myself accountable for every single thing I do. In trading, it's always in trading we because we have to because we are the CEO, we are the owner, we are the we are the employee, we are the employer of our journey. We seems to forget that we need to hold ourselves accountable. We need someone to hold us accountable for every single thing we do or every wrong things that we do. So I feel like making this content and going on this journey is going to be the one to grow me to the point of to the exact perfection where I want to be. Of course, investing, you can never be perfect when it comes to entry. You can never know it all because again, just like the book that I'm reading, this book, by the way, you need to read this book. As a trader, you need to read it. Or if you want to be good with money and if you want to be happy with money, you need to read that book. It says something about investment and it says something about tails and win. And tails and you win. Sorry, I shouldn't have clicked on that. I should have clicked on that. So anyway, that is off the subject. Let's just start from the beginning. The first trade that I took, I was supposed to add my notes on here to give you guys my input, but I didn't do that because I've been busy since yesterday. I went to after the trade. I so I recorded like 40-minute video and I realized I didn't do any like the video that I recorded there was no audio. I can show you guys here, but I tried to edit it last night. There was no audio. 45 minutes. And I was tired. But but again, we're here today, so let's just we're not going to bore ourselves with that. Okay, this is okay. This was the first trade that I took on this account. I took it, what was the time? It was around in the morning, 9. I took the trade for around 9:19, so almost 9:20. You can see the time right here, the time I took it. Then here's my reason why I took this trade. Basically, you all know that I trade double bottom and what I call W pattern and reverse W pattern. So this is why I placed the trade. I'm gonna show you guys. This is why I placed the trade. I saw this hold on. Let me just put it this way. I saw all this market consolidation. I saw all this. To me, I knew that this was just manipulate. That this was accumulation, and then we had manipulation right here. I feel like this was manipulation because the way this kind of closed, it closed like more like a hammer candle. Then I saw this came up, then this, then I saw the retracement, then shoot. Then this is what I was expecting. Simple as that. But what happened, what happened or what I did wrong was that I hurried into the trade. Instead of me to place my trade, assuming I placed this was where I placed my trade, right? Operation trade around this point, and my stop loss was 150 or one, yeah, thereabout. I think it was my stop loss was somewhere around here. Yeah, 180 thereabout. Then I was to target 1:3. So I'm gonna leave that for now. But because I entered way I entered from here. Yeah, my stop loss was somewhere around. So I entered too early. I should have waited for the retest and for the 5 minute candle to close at this particular point. I didn't wait for that. I wrote it out because most time when GJ wants to shoot like especially at this particular time, it doesn't come for a retest. The only place it will come for a test will probably be around here. It will just shoot up like this, then it will come for a retest around this area, then it will continue moving. Then even at that, it would have been better to enter trade here because my investment will probably be more safer. But I didn't. So it ended up, getting me out. The next trade is going to be $200. So before I go to that, I got caught out from the previous trade from my loss from the first trade at exact 9.25, 9 a.m., 9:25 a.m. Right? So what time did I enter the second trade? I entered the second trade at like 2 minutes later, 9:27 a.m. And you remember, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, remember, this was the entry that I had where I got caught out. This was the place I got caught out from. Right? I got caught out from here. Then I re-entered the trade right from here because of this test. I saw this candle, this bullish candle, how strong it was and how it broke this structure. I knew this was a manipulation in the market. So what I did was I put my stop loss same, as a little bit low. So I was just trying to protect my capital at this point. So, and I end up, getting out from, yeah, I think it was about 60 pips. I got out from 60 pips. That was how, around 60 pips, if I'm correct. I don't know if this can give me how many pips that was. Okay, almost 60 pips though, 59 pips. So I got out from there. Was the second trade. So I will still count this as first trade because it was still the same trade I wanted to place, but it's just that I entered way too early. So the only emotion that transpired in previous loss was because I had I have FOMO, fear of missing out. I didn't want to miss out. It was my first trade too. So I didn't do well in that, but we're not gonna let that hold us. So this is my second trade. And actually, this is not my second trade. Hold on, let me just zoom out everything. Let me just zoom out everything. Okay. Oh my. Okay, so I forgot to tell you. So I did leverage on it because again, I saw the opportunity when the market was. This was my initial. Okay, so this was my first entry where I got about $200, right? Then this was my second entry on this account. So I just put in 0.25, just half of the initial loss size. Then I got up from here about 30 pips or 32 pips. So I just used that to cover the loss that I had from the previous stop loss that that I got hunted. So it covered for the loss. So the 200 was just initial profit, right? So as we progress, add another loss, which is $56.55. 57 cents, sorry. I would say same thing that happened again. At this point, I'm like, why me? Why am I doing this? Why me, God? Why me, God? But at this point, I think I did it right. I think I did it right. Yeah, I think I did it right. This was what happened. I placed my trade and yeah, right here. My stop loss was here. My stop loss was here. Because again, I saw this triple bottom, or you may call it. I saw this, saw this, I saw this. Now the market broke it. So the expectation was just for it to shift, wait for the market to shift from this momentum right here and go up. You didn't do that. It was so disappointing, but we're able to manage and again, I don't want to, if as you can see, my loss is not going to be higher than 50, the maximum 15% of my account. It's not going to be more than that. I will not let it be more than that because I'm not trying to prove anyone that I can make so much money. I just want to prove the consistency on this account. I have other account where I can basically risk everything on it. But this one, if I lose the money, it's not gonna like be anything for me. But at the same time, I'm trying to teach that you can actually make a lot by just understanding the power of compounding. So anyway, I got stopped out immediately right here. Guess what happened? The market shot up again. And to me, like I know GJ is trending now. Like there's nothing you can give GJ. It's gonna be trending for a while. It's gonna be trending for a while. So that is the second loss of the day. Then I will not count that as a loss. I will not count it as a loss because the reason why is that we did everything right. It's just that the market was not ready to move at that time. So you needed some liquidity to be able to move in our favor. So remember this when I analyze this, like this double bottom, and for the market to reject from here, and it didn't do that. Then again, I saw the market giving me a buy opportunity, so which I took it, and my stop loss was still the same place. So it was just a little bit tight. Then I ended up getting about. I didn't get 1,000 pieces. See, this is where I got out. I did not know who sent me to get out from here. I promise you, I did not know who sent me to get out from here because immediately I got out from here. Look at what happened. The market shoot to almost like I got like almost 50 pips. The market shoot to about 100 pips. So it means that I should have made like $260 this particular trade. Yeah, I should have made $260 from this trade. $260 from this trade. Which I will not count. Yeah, I counted as loss because I shouldn't have opted out. This was giving me opportunity to add more trade, which I didn't. When you look at the trade was just only for how many hours? Let's say 45 minutes, 44 minutes actually. So the trade was on for 45 minutes. So only if I had wait for like another, I stop out from here, all right, 20. Then if I had wait till like another like 20, 30 minutes, I would have gotten more profit. Let's say, yeah, if I had wait for like 40 minutes, I would have gotten more profit. But again, yesterday was a success, and I think that's all for all the trades. Again, this is the beginning of the journey. I hope you guys enjoy enjoy every single of this every single day of this journey, and I hope to carry you guys along every single day. With that being said, I'm just gonna wrap up this video now so that I can make videos for the second day, which is today. And I wish you guys well. I wish you guys are having a very beautiful day and having to smash all your goals for today. It might not be monetary goal, it might be how you want to be better as a trader. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later.